Bearings are classified into different types based on load capacity, speed, and application requirements. Ball bearings use spherical rolling elements and are suitable for high-speed and low to moderate load applications, and are used in vertical pumps, turbines, and marine propulsion system. For engineers, bearing selection is a critical design and maintenance decision. In this video, you will learn how bearings work, their types, and why they are critical in industry. In the next few minutes, you will fully understand bearings, their parts, and how professionals use them, and from bearing construction and lubrication to common failures and correct maintenance practices.
This is a complete professional engineering guide to bearings used in real industrial applications.
A bearing is a mechanical component used in machines to reduce friction between moving parts and to support rotating shafts in industrial equipment by allowing smooth motion while carrying radial and axial loads, which improves efficiency, reduces wear, and increases machine life. Bearings are critical because without them, metal parts would rub directly against each other, causing excessive heat, energy loss, and early equipment failure, which leads to higher maintenance costs, frequent breakdowns, and unsafe operating conditions in industrial environments. Bearings are widely used in electric motors, pumps, compressors, turbines, conveyors, and almost every rotating machine. From small household appliances to heavy industrial plants such as power stations and oil refineries.
Bearings work by replacing sliding friction between surfaces with rolling friction using rolling elements,
which significantly reduces resistance, wear, vibration, and energy consumption during machine operation. Bearings are designed to carry different types of loads, including radial loads and axial loads, depending on machine design, operating speed, and direction of applied forces. Bearings are classified into different types based on load capacity, speed, and application requirements. Ball bearings use spherical rolling elements and are suitable for high-speed and low to moderate load applications, because the point contact between balls and raceways produces very low friction.
They are commonly used in electric motors, fans, pumps, and precision instruments.
Roller bearings use cylindrical rolling elements to support heavier loads than ball bearings, due to line contact between rollers and raceways, which distributes load more evenly. These bearings are used in gearboxes, conveyors, crushers, and heavy machinery. Tapered roller bearings are designed to handle combined radial and axial loads, and are commonly used in automotive wheel hubs and industrial gear systems.
Thrust bearings are specifically designed to support axial loads acting parallel to the shaft,
and are used in vertical pumps, turbines, and marine propulsion system.
Needle bearings use long and thin rollers and are suitable for compact space.
High load capacity is required with limited radial space. Sleeve bearings operate with sliding contact and are simple, economical, and quiet.
Commonly used in low-speed and lightly loaded applications.
Special bearings are designed for extreme temperature, speed, or corrosive environments,
such as ceramic bearings and magnetic bearings.
Selecting the correct bearing depends on load, speed, temperature, and operating conditions.
Incorrect selection can lead to premature failure and machine damage.
For engineers, bearing selection is a critical design and maintenance decision. A standard bearing consists of several key components designed to work together smoothly. The inner and outer rings provide hardened raceways for the rolling elements to move efficiently. Rolling elements carry the applied load and significantly reduce friction during rotation.
The cage maintains proper spacing between rolling elements and prevents contact with each other.
All bearing components work together to ensure stable, smooth, and reliable machine operation.
Proper load distribution prevents localized stress and extends bearing service life. Every bearing has a maximum speed limit that must not be exceeded during operation. Bearings are manufactured using steel, ceramic, or special alloys, depending on application. Seals and shields protect bearings from contamination and lubricant loss. Temperature, moisture, and dust greatly affect bearing performance and life. Lubrication is essential to reduce friction, wear, and heat generation in bearings.
Grease and oil are selected based on speed, load, and operating temperature.
Inadequate lubrication is one of the common causes of bearing failure.
Excessive heat damages bearing surfaces and reduces material strength.
Dirt, water, and metal particles cause severe damage to bearing raceways. Misalignment creates uneven load distribution and accelerates bearing wear.
Excessive loads cause deformation, cracking, and premature bearing failure.
Moisture and chemicals cause corrosion and pitting on bearing surfaces. Noise, vibration, and temperature rise are early warning signs of bearing failure.
These are on metrics. Pump bearings ensure smooth shaft rotation and protect mechanical seals. In compressors, bearings operate under high speed and continuous loads. For every engineer and technician, understanding bearings is essential to prevent failures and reduce downtime. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep improving, and stay connected for more professional engineering knowledge. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more professional engineering and industrial knowledge.